Every few years, a vehicle comes along that challenges everything we thought we knew about trucks. It promises the power, capability, and versatility that drivers expect while rewriting the rules for efficiency and technology. Imagine a pickup that can tow, haul, and perform off-road duties while producing zero emissions and integrating advanced driver aids that feel like science fiction. This is not a future concept or a distant prototype, it is real, arriving in showrooms and demanding attention from both enthusiasts and fleet operators. Today, we are going to explore the Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025, a vehicle that could redefine what it means to own an electric truck in America. From its engineering innovations to its potential impact on the automotive industry, we will examine the Silverado EV from every angle and consider what it means for the future of pickups. If you enjoy deep dives into groundbreaking vehicles and want to see more analysis of the latest electric trucks, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment suggesting our next topic. When we start with the Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025, the first thing that demands attention is the fundamental shift it represents in the pickup segment. This is a full-size electric truck designed to compete directly with traditional gas-powered workhorses while offering capabilities that most drivers would never expect from an EV. Under the hood, or more accurately under the bed and cab, Chevrolet has implemented a Ultium battery platform that delivers up to 664 horsepower and more than 400 miles of range on a single charge, making it capable of long hauls, heavy towing, and everyday commutes without compromise. This combination of power and range is crucial because one of the biggest concerns for truck buyers considering electrification is whether a battery-powered vehicle can handle the same workload as a diesel or gasoline engine. Chevrolet answers that question with not just numbers but a thoughtful engineering approach, placing batteries low in the chassis for stability and safety while redesigning suspension and frame components to carry heavy loads without sacrificing ride quality. The Silverado EV also features a multifunction tailgate and integrated bed storage, rethinking utility for modern truck owners who want flexibility in their cargo options. Alongside these mechanical upgrades, Chevrolet has invested in advanced driver assistance features including Ultra Cruise, which allows hands-free driving on compatible roads, further blending convenience with safety. Beyond the hardware, the Silverado EV reflects a broader industry trend where pickups are no longer just work vehicles but lifestyle tools, offering connectivity, infotainment, and digital integration that aligns with how people live and work today. The interior is spacious, with modular seating options, robust infotainment displays, and connectivity for fleet management, positioning it as a truck that serves both personal and professional needs. Another important element is charging infrastructure, and Chevrolet has partnered with networks to ensure drivers have access to fast charging and public stations, addressing a key hurdle for electric adoption in the heavy-duty segment. The stakes for Chevrolet are high, as the Silverado EV competes not only with traditional pickups but also with emerging electric trucks from other manufacturers that promise similar or even higher specifications. Early testing shows that acceleration is brisk, handling is confident despite its size, and the cabin is quieter than any conventional pickup, giving drivers a premium experience while performing all traditional truck duties. Yet, even with these advantages, adoption depends on convincing buyers to change habits, consider range planning, and trust a new technology platform. As we explore the Silverado EV, it becomes clear that Chevrolet is balancing three critical objectives: delivering uncompromised truck performance, integrating cutting-edge electric technology, and reshaping consumer expectations for what a pickup can be. The real story emerges when we dig deeper into the engineering decisions, battery management, and system design choices that make the Silverado EV more than just a novelty and instead a serious contender in the American truck market. This transition from concept to practical reality sets up our next segment, where we examine how the Silverado EV achieves this balance and the challenges it addresses in the broader industry context. Delving deeper into the Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025, we see that its engineering choices are what truly distinguish it from other electric trucks and traditional pickups. The Ultium battery platform, with its modular architecture, allows Chevrolet to scale energy storage and power output efficiently while maintaining structural integrity and safety. Placing the batteries low in the chassis lowers the center of gravity, enhancing stability when hauling or towing, which has historically been a concern for electric vehicles due to weight distribution. The truck's independent rear suspension is a deliberate move away from the solid rear axles common in heavy-duty pickups, providing smoother ride quality on highways and improved control off-road. Towing capability reaches up to 20,000 pounds, a figure that aligns with many full-size gas trucks, yet the Silverado EV delivers instant torque from its electric motors, providing a more responsive and predictable pull. The interior integrates technology seamlessly, with a 17-inch central touchscreen, customizable displays, and over-the-air updates that can refine performance or add features without a dealership visit. Chevrolet has also prioritized charging convenience with an 800-volt architecture capable of fast DC charging, allowing drivers to regain up to 100 miles of range in approximately 10 minutes under ideal conditions, which helps reduce downtime for long-distance travel. For fleet operators, the Silverado EV includes telematics and energy management tools to monitor usage, optimize routes, and manage battery health, demonstrating that electric trucks can be practical for commercial applications. Sustainability is another layer, as the vehicle eliminates tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and aligning with evolving regulations, while the use of recycled materials in the cabin shows a commitment to environmental considerations beyond performance. Critics raise questions about upfront cost and charging availability, but early reviews suggest total cost of ownership can be competitive when factoring in lower fuel and maintenance expenses. With fewer moving parts reducing potential repairs, Chevrolet has also focused on human factors, ensuring controls, storage, and ergonomics meet expectations of traditional truck owners who demand utility without compromise. The Silverado EV's lighting and aerodynamic design are not merely aesthetic. They improve efficiency, extend range, and enhance visibility and safety, reflecting a holistic approach to engineering. Its multifunction tailgate and adjustable load floor offer versatility, while the reinforced frame and skid plates protect critical components when navigating rugged terrain. Consumer curiosity is high because the Silverado EV bridges a gap between futuristic technology and the familiar feel of a pickup, inviting even skeptical drivers to imagine a truck that performs daily chores with less environmental impact and more technological sophistication. The combination of torque management, regenerative braking, and intelligent drive modes allows owners to optimize energy use, adjust ride height, and tackle different conditions without manual modifications. The Silverado EV also introduces new possibilities for aftermarket accessories and customization while maintaining warranty coverage, an important factor for traditional truck enthusiasts, by addressing mechanical, technological, and lifestyle factors. Simultaneously, Chevrolet positions the Silverado EV as more than a proof of concept, instead presenting a credible alternative to internal combustion pickups. As we consider the broader implications of this engineering approach, it becomes clear that the Silverado EV could influence how competitors design electric trucks, accelerate adoption in mainstream markets, and redefine consumer expectations, setting the stage for our final segment that examines the real-world impact and potential legacy of this vehicle in the automotive landscape. Looking at the broader impact of the Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025, we can see how this vehicle might reshape the pickup market and influence the automotive industry as a whole, beyond its technical specifications. The Silverado EV challenges the perception that electric vehicles cannot serve as serious work trucks, providing proof that zero-emission powertrains can handle towing, hauling, and off-road conditions with confidence. For consumers, this opens new possibilities: lower fuel costs, quieter operation, reduced maintenance, and access to modern technology that improves safety and convenience. Fleet operators stand to benefit from energy management tools, route optimization, and the potential for lower total cost of ownership, making electrification a more practical choice than ever. Chevrolet's approach also sets a benchmark for competitors, pushing other manufacturers to elevate performance, range, and utility in their own electric pickups, which could accelerate innovation and adoption across the segment. The Silverado EV's presence in the market may also influence policy and infrastructure decisions, as charging networks expand and governments consider incentives for zero-emission vehicles, reinforcing the transition towards sustainable transportation. Cultural impact is another consideration, as pickups are iconic in America and deeply tied to lifestyle and identity. An electric Silverado represents not just a technological shift, but a symbolic one, signaling that tradition and innovation can coexist without compromise. The vehicle's reception could redefine what drivers expect from trucks in terms of comfort, technology, and environmental responsibility, potentially setting new standards for decades to come. As early adopters share their experiences, public perception will shape the rate of acceptance, influencing whether electric trucks become mainstream or remain a niche choice. Chevrolet has strategically positioned the Silverado EV to appeal to a wide audience, combining high performance, versatility, and digital integration, which could make it a template for future pickups. In addition, the vehicle may spur ancillary industries, including charging infrastructure, software solutions, and aftermarket customization for electric platforms, expanding the ecosystem around zero-emission trucks. While challenges remain, including consumer education, charging access, and initial price points, the Silverado EV demonstrates that electric pickups can be compelling, practical, and culturally significant. In the end, the Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025 is more than a truck. It is a statement about the possibilities of electrification, the evolution of American pickup culture, and the potential for a sustainable yet powerful future, closing the loop on the question of whether an electric vehicle can truly meet the demands of truck owners and inspire a new generation of buyers. The Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025 represents a turning point in the pickup segment, combining performance, utility, and electrification in a way that challenges traditional expectations. From its powerful Ultium battery platform to its innovative suspension and driver assistance systems, the Silverado EV delivers the capabilities truck owners rely on while embracing new technology and sustainability. It demonstrates that electric pickups can tow, haul, navigate rugged terrain, and provide a comfortable, connected cabin experience, all without compromising reliability or safety. Beyond the vehicle itself, the Silverado EV has implications for the broader industry, influencing competitors, accelerating EV adoption, and shaping infrastructure and policy decisions around charging networks and zero-emission incentives. For drivers, it offers practical benefits including lower fuel and maintenance costs, instant torque, quieter operation, and modular utility features designed for both personal and professional use. Culturally, it signals that electric trucks are no longer a futuristic concept but a viable option for everyday work and lifestyle needs, merging tradition with innovation. As Chevrolet continues to roll out updates, refine technology, and support drivers with charging solutions, the Silverado EV positions itself as a benchmark for the future of pickups. In essence, this vehicle is not just a new model but a statement about what a modern truck can be, proving that performance, practicality, and sustainability can coexist in a full-size pickup. The Chevrolet Silverado EV 2025 closes the loop on the question of whether electrification can truly meet the demands of American truck owners, offering a compelling glimpse at the next chapter of automotive innovation and setting the stage for how trucks will evolve in the years to come.